Okay, here in DPU we took the gutter off, and the bottom edge was never, the starter course was never right on the whole thing. So we can see the seam of the starter here, so water's rotted out. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the roof up 24 inches. Hopefully we can get these shingles up with no problem. We're gonna have to toy around with the step flashings here. Gonna go up minimum 24 inches. We're gonna cut 16 inches of decking out. These trusses are 2 foot on center, so after we get the decking cut out, this is going to be just like the one out in Leroy. We're going to have to put 2x4 nailer, you know, to the bottom of the where your cut is, so that way we don't have to worry about the 2 pieces, because plywood clips isn't going to work there, being 16 inches. And then a new looks like he's going to need a 2x6 fascia. We need 2x6 with a 1x over top of it. Actually, they put 2x6 with plywood over top of it, is what they did. So we're going to get rid of the plywood. We're just going to put a 2x6 across this whole thing. Okay, 10 foot wide, 2 foot up. And then we're going to trim, put in vinyl soffit and trim the aluminum fascia, and then the gutter crew can come back. 4 inches exposure for the gutter helmet on the bottom course. We got to have that. It looks like that's about what they have now. And if we can't get these shingles up without a problem, we're going to just go to the ridge, and we have to give them a new ridge vent, but I think we might be able to do it. So it seems like they're going to come up simple enough. Our challenge is going to be here where the mold is. All right, you can see there the whole bottom edge is out. Actually, we're going to go up 24 inches. I'm going to go up 24 inches, so we'll take the shingles up 3 foot and go up 24 inches on the decking.